Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 55 Ford that the top goes down. 272 under the hood, all the extra bumper guards. Man, you're gonna love checking this one out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We'll pop the hood, we'll put the top down. The top's already down. We're gonna go for a drive. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your 55 Ford investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. All right, all these extra bumper guards are so cool. You know, my dad's 57 Ford's got the V-bar and the wing guards, and it just makes it, man. You get all this extra trim on this thing, and you can see all the chrome on the front of the car is phenomenal. The airplane here on the hood's looking good. That black paint too, man, looking beautiful. The reflections look good. The hood fits nice. That line's nice and straight. The spears here going down the sides, looking beautiful. All that stainless looks good. Spotlight chrome looks good. It's even got the rear view or the side view mirrors there on there. The Sunliner emblem looks good. The chrome on the vent window, that looks like it may be original to the car. That tells me that this car was very well kept since 1955. This sucker's 7 years older than I am. All the stainless up here looks good. The door handles looking good. Look at that door jamb. Look how nicely it's painted. They even brought the two-tone right into the door jamb. All the paintwork here looks good. The armrest looks good. The paint on the steering wheel, steering column, the dash, all the chrome on the dash looks good. The upholstery on the seats is looking great. You can see the brand new threshold in there also. The carpeting looks like it's new. We got seat belts in the front and in the rear. Even this piece of chrome back here, we're looking great, man. It is beautiful. Somebody spent some money at the chromer. All this stainless has been all straightened up and polished up. We even got the extra stainless down here on the rocker and on the fender skirt. We got the extra bumper guards back here on the back also. Of course, it's got a Continental kit on it. Let me grab the keys real quick and we'll get into that trunk. All right, so a pull of this handle unlocks the spare tire. It's actually got a spring that helps it go up, which is very cool. You can see all the chrome, all the emblems back here looking sweet. And overdrive, baby. This thing's ready to go on a road trip. Get in the trunk here if I can figure out which way the key goes in there. Look at that trunk, man. Spare tire, jack, whole 9 yards. Everything looking brand spanking new in there. You can see all the paintwork here looks good. All the trim around the tail lights look good. Pull this back down and lock her in place. Look down the side of it. Look at that beauty. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this old Ford. We've got about 230 cars in stock right now, and we own every one of those cars. Now we're bringing in between 45 and 50 new units every month. And what that means to you is we've always got new inventory coming in, so you got to keep an eye on us. You never know what will come in tomorrow. I don't expect this car to be here long at all. All these old Fords are in beautiful shape that the top goes down on. They're very hot right now. Now I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard, and what that means to you is you're getting my expert help helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take this baby for a ride. Listen to those glass packs. Man, does this thing sound cool? Top down, sun's out, ready to go to the beach. 3 on the tree, having a blast. I tell you what, I learned how to drive on a 3 on a tree back in the old farm days. This thing is sweet, brakes feel good. We'll drop it down. Now, this, the easiest way to get it in first is either rev it up a little bit or come to almost a complete stop. You can downshift into second, no problem. Listen to those glass packs, man, this thing sounds sweet. Pull this into any car show, you are gonna be the only one there with this car, I guarantee it. Now we can ship it anywhere in the world, so you call Tom at 248-974-9513, and Tom will tell you how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. You see it sticks right up into second, no problem whatsoever. You can see down here on the dash, the speedo's working. Everything on the dash looks brand spanking new. Spotlights, even the horn's working. This car has a, here's a semi-truck blocking the road. We're gonna make a quick corner here. Just like NASCAR, guys, turning left. I love the glass packs on this car. You know, my dad's 57 Ford's got loud mufflers on it. Of course, I'm a loud muffler kind of guy. Well, we'll get back to what we were doing in the video here. Hey, we're right outside the Motor City, so if you'd like to come visit us, we'd love to have you. Please come on out. Check out our inventory. We've always got new stuff coming in. We're bringing in between 45 and 50 new vehicles every month, so you got to keep a close eye on us. You never know what kind of cool stuff we'll bring in. You can fly into Detroit Metro Airport. We're only about a 20-minute ride. Heck, we'll even come down to the airport and pick you up. If you want to drive in on a Saturday, we're here on Saturdays. Now here's our building here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan, and we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out what's going on underneath it. And then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at that 272. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your 55 Ford convertible investment. All right, underneath this 55 Ford, you just do not see these cars this pretty underneath. You can see it's got a brand new exhaust system on it. Looks like the gas tank's been restored. That's the spare tire hole up there. It's nice, looks like original metal. Back sides, the drop downs here and the quarters look good. The floorboards look good. Right around a 370 gear in here, and of course it is an open rear end. And the guys will peel the brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. These frames are amazing on these convertibles. They're like, how strong we gotta make them? Let's make them real strong. We got some big I-beams in here. I tell you what, I've seen bridges built with less iron than underneath this car. So it's got a full frame than this big X made out of I-beam material. It's just amazing, guys. We got glass pack mufflers, that's why it sounds so good. Back sides of the rockers are nice and clean on both sides. Bottom side of the rocker's nice and clean. We got the 3-speed manual transmission with the electric overdrive. 272 power up front. I did verify that with the 3-digit code there by the distributor. It does have power brakes. Not power brakes, that's the steering. Power steering, I was looking at the brakes. We do have drum brakes up front, and I see a Ford logo there on the backing plate too. Everything under here is nice and clean. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Front cross member looks good. Paint work even on the front valance on the underside's looking great. I mean, this is one sharp car right here, guys. These Fords, man, normally they're pretty ugly underneath. You guys that are going around to all the car shows and that, looking at one to buy, I crawl around under them all the time because it's one of my favorite cars. You just don't see them this nice and neat underneath. Now let's look at wheels and tires. All right, look at that. I see a reflection of something really ugly right there. Oh, that's me. Hey, we got great looking pink, great looking center caps. Trim rings look good, and we got brand new wide whites. These are Coker Classics. These are brand new tires, guys, and they are radials. Let's check the rear. All right, you know what I'm gonna say? Same ugly spots right there on that one. Yeah, same good looking wide whites, paint work. Then of course the fender skirts are looking good. Bottom side of the rocker's nice and clean. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hoods, hey, it does have power brakes. That's the power booster. That's that old style Ford power booster for the brakes. top side of the motor's nice and clean. Like I said, back here by the distributors where you identify these blocks. It's got a period correct carburetor on it. All the lines look good. The firewall looks good. The wiring harness looks good. It's even got the old bag here for your squirters. I don't know whether those squirters work, but the bag's there. Radiator looks period correct. On the blower motor and everything is there. Everything about this car is amazing. And look at that, oil bath air cleaner. I remember them from when I was a kid. Hey guys, this thing's sweet. The top goes down, it's pink and black. It's beautiful on the bottom side. It's got a 272 Y block under the hood. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.